300, almost 400 locations they have prevented breaches. What was over? So they have prevented breaches about 334 locations.
Yes. And in some cases it would have really made a very big impact. So this is how it was done. Next. These were different kinds of pipings which were done, which the technical people will be able to also explain. And then as soon as the water started receding, it was so. Next. These were the two large breaches that were prevented, which Pradeep has already mentioned. Nonetheless, there were 38 breaches, and of which 29 were these test relief embankments. And mainly it was because of overtopping. And now we have been able to already restore temporarily. You may have seen in some cases. We've been able to restore around 21, 22 of them, and the rest are fixed.
So basically, we have a prepared street. The moment we get information about and then senior officers immediately are implementing this. And if we also redeploy the draft Indian parts of the states. So and then we use the public address system, local miking as well as TV and radio to disseminate messages. And this time we had this was a redeployment of our response forces. Then about 1.73 lakh people were evacuated and kept in shelter. And some of them, because we are the shelter where you see beds, then we are this shelter, temporary quarantine centers we had developed for COVID. With a lot of infrastructure, with good water supply, good toilets, bathrooms, everything. And with beds. In the state we had taken about 9 lakh such beds. So we use those facilities.
Otherwise, we have, lot of
yeah, about 900 plus circumstances are there. So that is what we can do. And then we are provided food, drinking water, and in those difficult areas where for 6-7 days there was waterlogging. In fact, it's mobile RO plants were sent. About 5 RO plants were sent to those areas for immediately pouching potable drinking water. So this is the total estimated damage, and here after whatever the necessary figures which we have given here, we may not discuss about it. In fact, some of the yesterday there was some discussion about figures, and I will tell the satellite inundation program showing inundation that is on 29th we have taken this. So basically you will see the top trend is the sewer system top. That is over 2 blocks of Mohapatra district and 4 blocks of Vasisth district. And then that is Bhubaneswar. That is Bhubaneswar system. That Bhubaneswar system. Then comes Jajpur, that is a small river system. That is Jajpur river system, very small river system. Next is you see Brahmani, Vaitravani, Brahmani, Maharani. These are all together. Means Vaitravani and Brahmani are together. Similarly, Maharani and Brahmani are together. So therefore, what is that? Jajpur district got flood from Vaitravani and Brahmani, and little bit the impact from Maharani. And Kendrapara got flood from Brahmani and Maharani. And then Puri district. So that basically develops and that is the generally the irrigated area of the state. So now I request
So much of this has already been said. So these are those 5 river basins that were affected. From the top, if you see, that's Suvarnarekha, then Udavalam, Brahman, Vaitravani, Brahmani, and then Maharani. Maharani is of course the biggest one. Next. This graph, basically what we are showing is, this is for Maharani, Hirapur Dam. And so the red line is the inflow. So this time there was an inflow from out for around 9.1 lakh cubic. If you see on 29th to 30th it continued. And the green line on top is the Mundali, that is at Cuttack area, what was the flow. We were able to maintain it at 10 lakh cubic by regulating the gates. So if you see the outflow, that it was regulated, and so that it was maintained at 10 lakh cubic. This is for Brahmani, we have Bengali dam. if you see again the inflow, which is the red one, it suddenly peaked, and we got around 10,000 cubics, and then, so again here the gates had to be regulated. In fact, here we actually utilized the cushion we have. So even though the FRL is 123.5, there is a maximum water level which you can go up to. So we exploited that this time, and it was also, we were able to keep the gates to 4 gates, 3 gates, and be able to control. Next. Immediately, as Pradeep has already